It is January 3rd, 2025, and we got some severe weather to talk about, so let's get into it. Let's start with our first marginal risk that we have. So we're going to start with the marginal risk that we have down here in parts of southern Georgia, parts of southern Alabama, and Florida Panhandle, where we have a chance to see an isolated tornado or two, and a possibility to see some severe winds and hail. The main concern is going to be severe thunderstorms, but we cannot rule out an isolated tornado or two. So this is our tornado risk that we have. So if you're in this green, you have a chance to see an isolated tornado. If you're in this brown, you have a chance to see some severe thunderstorms, and if you're in this brown right here, then you have a chance to see some hail. So we need to be staying weather aware if you're inside of any of this green right here. There's going to be a chance to see severe thunderstorms, hail, and tornadoes. So let's check out the future radar. So here we are on the future radar. So this is what the storms are looking like. You can see that we got some storms out here producing some severe thunderstorms right now. You see that we're gonna have a line of these kind of like little storms over here. We're gonna have clusters, and then we're gonna have some other little storms pop up. Then if fast forward it, you can see we might have a few whether these little storms develop after this line of storms goes through. Those do have a potential to produce an isolated tornado or two. I think the main concern for tornadoes will be with the first storm that comes through, so we should be staying aware for it. But yeah, this is just the future radar for this. But like, you need to be aware if you're in Tallahassee and Jacksonville, as there's going to be a chance to see severe thunderstorms there, especially. So yeah, since those are more of highly populated areas. So yeah, make sure to be staying aware for weather over here, and make sure to stay prepared. Then we have to talk about our marginal risk that we have up here for today, January 3rd as well, which is another marginal risk for parts of Northern California into parts of the coasts of Oregon, where we could have a chance to see an isolated tornado or two, a chance to see some severe winds, and yeah, so we need to be staying aware if you're inside this green. So yeah, we could have some water spouts come off of the water and go into land, and that can cause some tornadoes. So we need to be aware for that too if you're out here in this marginal risk. And we are expecting some above average temperatures for the United States starting on January 5th, 2025. You can see if you're in any of these red areas over here, not including the gray. There is going to be a high chance to see above average temperatures for a while, so this can lead to severe weather that can happen. For example, we could see something like this develop. This is on January 8th. We could have a little storm develop and produce a squall line over here in parts of the Ohio Valley, and produce tornadoes and possible severe damaging winds. So this is definitely something that we need to be watching out for on January 8th, 2025, and January 9th. Thank you guys for watching Electric Tornado, and I'll see you guys in the next weather forecast video. Expect a video tomorrow. Bye.